Hello everyone, myself Sanjay Lamtama. Today I bring for you all French onion soup recipe. Please do watch video until the end and follow the ingredients and procedure. Enjoy with your family friends. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई भिडियो हेरिदिनु भएकोमा र माझमा चाहिँ आज मैले फ्रेन्च ओनियन सुपको रेसिपी ल्याएर आइसकेको छु भने यो सुपलाई चाहिँ घरमा तपाईहरुले आफ्नो चोइस चिकन स्टक अथवा बिफ स्टकमा बनाउन सक्नुहुन्छ। यदि बिफ स्टक युज गर्नुहुन्न भने चिकन स्टकमा पनि बनाउन सक्नुहुन्छ। साथसाथै तपाईहरुले यसलाई चाहिँ कार्यक्षेत्रमा स्पेशली विशेष गरेर फ्रेन्च रेस्टुरेन्टहरुमा चाहिँ यो सुप एकदम पपुलर सुप हो भने एउटा सिग्नेचर सुप पनि हो र तपाईहरुले यदि कोही साथीभाइहरु फ्रेन्च रेस्टुरेन्टमा जब गर्नुहुन्छ भने पनि उहाँहरुले यो रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर युज गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ है त। क्लासिक फ्रेन्च ओनियन सुप रेसिपी रिच savory and topped with that irresistible cheesy bread crust. French onion soup ingredients: 4 to 5 large yellow onions, thinly sliced, 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon sugar, optional, helps caramelization for onion. 2 cloves garlic minced, 1.5 cup dry white wine, optional, can be substituted with extra broth, 6 cup beef stock or vegetable stock for western version. 2 teaspoon fresh thyme or 1 teaspoon dried, 1 bay leaves, salt and black pepper to taste. For topping, 1 baguette sliced into 1 to cm thick rounds, 1.5 cup grated Gruyere cheese, Emmental cheese or mozzarella can be worked as a substitute. Instruction: caramelization the onion in a large heavy pot. Heat butter and olive oil over medium-low heat. Add onion and sugar. Cook slowly, stirring occasionally for 30 to 40 minutes until deep golden brown. Deglaze. Add garlic and cook for 1 minute. Pour in wine. Scraping of brownets bits. Simmer units reduced by half. Add broth and herbs. Stir in beef stock, thyme and bay leaves. Simmer gently for 20 to 25 minutes. Season with the salt and pepper to taste. Remove bay leaves before serving. Prepare bread and cheese. Toss bucket slice under the broiler until golden. Sprinkle cheese generously on top and broil again until melted and puffy. Assemble and serve. Ladle of hot soup into oven shaped bowls topped with cheesy bread and place under the broiler for 1-2 minutes. Optional to melt cheese right on top the soup. Tips: low and slow onion caramelization in a key to deep flavor. Don't rush this step. Gruyere is traditional for nutty flavor, but a mix of cheese works too. For a western version, use vegetable stock and skip the beef.